What is going on, you guys? Thank you so much for clicking on the video. I'm just gonna skip everything and we're gonna jump straight into the content. So I have for you 7 ideas that will be able to generate you a decent income monthly and annually. So number 1 is gonna be dividend investing. Obviously there's been a couple of videos on this channel, and if you want to know more about that, you can go watch them. Basically, you invest a sum of money into a company, purchase their stocks, and they pay you a percentage of the amount you own in their company. Rental income is number 2. If you're fortunate enough to be able to buy a home and rent it out, that is fantastic, and it can provide you a serious monthly income. Number 3 is this great site you're using right now. YouTube has an amazing monetization program. All you have to do is have the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, which anyone can get over an amount of time if you just treat it as a job. Number 4 is cryptocurrency. I pretty much know nothing about cryptocurrency. I know it's made a lot of millionaires off of things like Bitcoin and Shiba Inu and Dogecoin have all made a lot of millionaires. I think Shiba Inu right now is, the buyers are waiting for it to reach $1. I think they kind of predict it for the next year or so. Number 5 is going to be sponsorships. I view this with YouTube. If you were able to make the monetization, requirements, people will kind of start noticing that. Companies will start noticing that, and they will maybe pay you to, promote their video or promote their product in your video, which is a neat little deal. I can greatly appreciate a company that wants to promote their products, especially if it's small companies with small channels. I feel like that works kind of the best. And if they stick with each other, then that's what really makes a nice company bond. Number 6 is going to be to sell a product. So if I were able to make the monetization requirements on YouTube, I went in, made a course per se for you guys, and then sold it to y'all. That's kind of what this is talking about, is making and selling a product. Number 7 is going to be affiliate marketing. Things such as Amazon affiliate marketing is a good program, and also multi-level marketing is a very real option, and it can make you quite a bit of money. There is the 7 items I have outlined for you guys that could make you a decent monthly and annual income. If you like any of those, please leave a comment and I will elaborate on some of them, and hopefully we can, maybe get you guys started on some of these. Currently, I don't do any of these except for YouTube, but I do not make any money from it yet. Hopefully to come in the future, correct? Right. Some of these are very lucrative and would need more money and more time than others, but they are very real and very achievable, and I hope that you guys, kind of got some value from this and kind of start turning the wheels in your mind. And anybody can do them. I'm just making YouTube videos out here just for fun right now, and to hopefully turn it into a business later. But if you guys got any value, please leave a like and subscribe, and watch some of my older videos, and look out for the new ones. Thank you guys so much.